Olivia, having fun? Ga ga ga. What does that mean?
Move my chair back?
Yeah.
Got some duckies, Olivia? Show me a ducky. A ducky. Uh-oh, there goes a ducky.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, Tiggy Wiggy.
Uh-oh, Tiggy Wiggy.
She can't see her. You better now?
Oh, Lillian, are you having fun in the pool? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. All right, Lillian, I'm going to take the hose away from you if you don't stop playing with it. Yeah. You don't listen, do you? Oh, Lillian.
Come on. Come on.
Sit down, Lillian.
You got three now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. She's a happy bunny.
Baby, you can turn the water off.
Tita.
It's still a little big.
Uh-oh, Tiggy Wiggy. Uh-oh, Tiggy Wiggy. Where's Becky?
I want to get out.
You want to get out?
Wayne went inside.
Okay. Uh-oh, Tiggy Wiggy.
Uh-oh, Tiggy Wiggy. Is that Mr. Ducky?
It's Mr. Ducky.
Mr. Ducky.
He's gone.
He's gone?
He's gone.
Mr. Ducky. Mr. Ducky. Becky went to get her bathing suit on so she can play in the water with you. With Olivia. And the big one. And your big one. Huh? You want to get out?